Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I recently became the ambassador for this product, so I'm really excited for it and I'm really excited to show you guys. So let me just get straight into this box. Okay, so let me open up one of the items. This is what it looks like. This is made out of coconut shells. How amazing is this? Now this is shaped like a leaf. I don't know if you guys can tell. The back is polished, the inside isn't, but it's really pretty, and it's gonna be really something. It's gonna be like a centerpiece, something that's definitely going to stand out when you're entertaining. So let me tell you guys a little more about the bowls. Now Rainforest Bowls, they're a company that are designing these amazing bowls, and they have different styles, different shapes and patterns. All of these products are made from reclaimed coconut shells and handcrafted by local artisans in Vietnam. They offer a perfect complement to an eco-friendly kitchen and add a tropical style to your dishes. Apart from reusing discarded coconut shells, their mission is to replant forests through an environmental charity. So for every 10 bowls bought, 1 tree will be planted. And that is just one of their eco-friendly goals that they plan to achieve this year. So guys, sustainability is such a big thing. Whether it's with plants or with animals, you always want to go the sustainable way. So these are going to be really amazing. I'm going to go and show you guys the rest of the bowls in a minute. But I also wanted to tell you, make sure and check out my ambassador code. Use that whenever you're making a purchase. I will greatly appreciate it, and you will also receive a discount. So these bowls come with the care instructions. When you get it, you have to wash the bowl at room temperature, hand wash with soapy lukewarm water. Do not wash with hot water or use extremely hot foods. And do not expose your bowl to extreme heat or use in the refrigerator, oven, or microwave. So now that I've told you guys about the bowls, and I hope you guys definitely, I want you all to support this company, because sustainability, using reclaimed items, I'm all for that. And especially when it looks this amazing. And you know, I do a lot of food prep, I do a lot of staging with my pictures, and these are going to come in really handy. And if you love to entertain, you all are going to love these. So I have the leaf bowl. The other bowl that I have is a star bowl. So this one is shaped like a star. So pretty. I have here a heart bowl. So when you get it, at the bottom it will tell you what type of bowl it is. So this is the heart bowl. It is shaped like a heart. You can see the indentation there, and then the peak here. Set that aside. This one is called the flower bowl. I really love this one. Look at that. Look at the attention to detail on that. Really amazing. So those were 4 of the pattern bowls, and then we have some of the simple basic bowls. And guys, the quality is really nice and smooth. I love it. I really love it. Here is a bigger bowl. This one is the two-tone punch out bowl. This one has a more of a rustic look on the outside, yet it's still flat that you can sit it down, and then there's this punch out detail, which I really love. So guys, we have the small original bowl, and here is the large original bowl. As you can see, each bowl has their own character. They're not the same, they're totally different, and the patterns that you'll get on these bowls, they differ. So now this is gonna be the last item in the box. I am so in love. From the time I saw these online, I fell in love with them. Because what's the best way to use reclaimed materials? So what I have here, I have spoons and forks made out of coconuts. I'm sure you guys have never seen anything like this. They are so unique. They're one of a kind, and they're just perfect for me because I do so much cooking and so much entertaining that these are going to come in really handy. So let me just set this box aside so I can just go over one more time with you guys what I got in the box. Okay guys, so let me just go over these bowls with you one more time. The flower bowl, the heart-shaped bowl, this is the big punch-out bowl. We have the two original bowls, one big and one small. The star bowl. And here we have the leaf bowl. And not forgetting the utensils, which are also made out of coconut. So the forks and the spoons. So guys, if you all are interested in this, I would leave my affiliate link down below in the description box. Please click on that and you'll be able to purchase these. These are really beautiful. I love that they're sustainable, they're handmade, and they are a great statement piece for when you're entertaining. So if you guys are looking for something unique, definitely check out the link to Rainforest Bowls. So I'd like to say thank you to Rainforest Bowls, and if you guys make a purchase, comment down below and let me know what you think of these bowls, because to me they're really amazing. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.